No lightning.
Where?
There.
Where?
There.
Oh dear. I think this weather's going to Gosport.
Oh dear, oh dear.
See if I can get any lightning strikes.
Oh, you will?
Oh, it'd be pretty cool.
Foggy as well.
Yeah, it is. Oh, here it comes again.
Oh, they're down. These are the size of peas.
God, that's quite, Adam, there's quite a lot, isn't there?
I can feel it in my head down if there's a storm over yonder.
Oh,
Can you feel it?
I can feel the hailstones. Yeah. I bet you as soon as I turn it off, there's a flash of lightning.
You haven't got to wait long.
I might as well turn it off now, Adam.
Oh, there. Just keep it for the next one back.
Okay.
You know what? You wouldn't leave this down, would you? April.
It's not April.
It was April.
Yeah, of course it is, yeah. Yeah.
What do you think it is, Dad? February?
No, I thought it was May. That's the next month, isn't it? I really hope that Anna gets this weather at home.
So do I, Dad. It would be nice for the kids to see.
Yeah, they love it. Right, Adam, I'm going to turn it off now, bro.
Go on then.